Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I've created a new playlist where I do very short, very quick technical analysis on many different altcoins. Meme coins, AI, gaming, Web3, anything you can imagine. For those of you who don't have time to watch the full videos that I make every single day. So if you don't want to miss any of these short videos, short technical analysis videos, subscribe to the channel, click the like button. Let's get straight into it. We are looking at Shiba Inu. This is SHIB USDT daily chart. Had a short accumulation here back in 2021, a nice pump all the way up here to this all-time high at 0.408851. Then a distribution phase where people took profits. We entered the markdown phase, broke below the 200 simple moving average, and then we had another long accumulation zone. This was the best opportunity for you to start scaling in and buy Shiba Inu for the upcoming bull run. Recently, on February of 2024, we had a nice breakout and it ran to this level at 0.404607. And then again, people took profits, markdown phase, and we formed this falling wedge that has a 70% chance of breaking to the upside. Price action, price got rejected here, here. So this key level of resistance was kind of valid. We got rejected multiple times. However, on September, last month, we saw a nice breakout. You see this? A nice breakout, a nice run all the way up here, and a rejection at this level. This range that I've marked here on the chart, the red rectangle that ranges between 0.402034 and 0.402153 is a very important psychological key level of resistance. And you can see that because price action got rejected here and the price action got rejected here. So now we have a new pattern that's forming. We have a new pattern that's going on after the breakout. This pattern that I have here on the chart with this green triangle is a head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head. Now, this is the neckline that's located at 0.402033. What we really want to see is a price action breaking above this key level of resistance. That's what we want to see eventually in the near future. But first, what needs to happen first before we break above this very important psychological key level of resistance is we need to break above the 200 simple moving average, the 200 daily SMA. As you see here, it seems that we are about to get rejected. But what needs to happen is we need to break above this, maybe get a retest and start bouncing above it. That's going to be really bullish for Shiba Inu, guys. It's going to happen soon. So for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you can start front running the move to the neckline. So you can start scaling in around here, around this area, around here, and basically front run the move to the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. Then we need to see a breakout above the neckline, above this key resistance zone. And the next Fibonacci level that I have here on the chart is located at 0.402425, right here. The measured move from the neckline to this level is close to a 20% move. That's a very nice move, guys. That's a very nice move for SHIB. If you decide to trade this in a more aggressive manner and you buy now, let's say, from the current levels to this key level of resistance is an approximate of 28% move. Shiba Inu as a large cap needs a lot of liquidity in order to make these moves happen. But these are not impossible moves. Shiba Inu is going to make this happen because it has the largest community in the crypto market as a meme coin. And we are currently experiencing the meme coin super cycle. So eventually, in my view, Shiba Inu is going to break above the 200 daily simple moving average. It's going to break above this psychological key level of resistance range. And then it's going to start creeping up all the way up to the second key resistance range that I have here on the chart. That's ranging between 0.402754 and 0.402929. From the current levels, from the current price level, all the way up here to the bottom of the range, that's a 45% move, guys. To the top of this range, that's a 55% move, approximately. That's a very nice move out of SHIB. SHIB is going to make that happen soon. Just be patient. It takes time because these large caps need a lot of liquidity in order to make moves like that. Eventually, I believe, just like many other people, that during this upcoming bull run, Inu is going to manage to pull a very nice move first to this recent high that we put in on February or March, okay, of 2024. And I want to see Shiba Inu breaking above this, reaching the all-time high, even surpassing that all-time high. Because this is the second bull run that Shiba Inu is experiencing. So in my view, Shiba Inu has a lot of potential, more potential than Dogecoin. Even though I love Dogecoin too, I think Shiba Inu has more potential. The measured move from the current level to that all-time high that's located at 0.408851 is a 360% move, guys. Okay? Amazing move. I think Shiba Inu can surpass this and come all the way up here. This is my target. I gave you this before in another video. My target for this bull run is located at 0.301161, and that's over a 500% move. A 5x for Shiba Inu is nothing during this meme coin super cycle. So that's all I had for you today. To sum up, we broke above this falling wedge. Now we see a new pattern. This is a head and shoulders pattern. The target of this pattern is basically a distance from the neckline to the lower part of the head, which is somewhere around here. And if we take this and move it at the breakout, the neckline is here, the breakout, we can find our target. And the target is the top range of this key range of resistance that's located at 0.402929. This is the target of this head and shoulders move. Of course, the way that I would trade this is I usually like to take my profits before the price action reaches all the way to the 100% of my target. I would take some profits here, some profits at 50%, and some profits at 75%, somewhere around here at the lowest range of this key level of resistance range. Okay, something like that. This is how I would trade this pattern. However, Shiba Inu has a longer pattern that's going on, the long accumulation phase, and then there is a markup phase that's probably going on after this during this upcoming bull run. So I'm bullish on SHIB. I'm going to be posting videos on SHIB and many other altcoins, AI, gaming, Web3, meme coins, all that kind of stuff in the coming days. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click the like button. I'll see you on the next one.